Hi Herrick, this is a view out the window. It is east tree lined. This is the living room. It's really just the same as the M line. Here's the kitchen.
And there's one out there in the hallway too.
Sorry, the I line. Okay, there's.
That's fair.
There's
Over here. Oh, okay. More storage.
Yeah.
There's the
Check out the bathroom.
bedroom.
Yeah. Has everything you need.
This looks like it's a king-size bed. There's the view again. The trees. There's a Visionaire in the background. It's carpeting. There's more closets here. And here is the floor. Looks like they put track lighting also.
I'm a big tea drinker myself.